not pump the brake. Ja, fluently, don't pump the brake.
Ja.
Ja. Also pumpt hier das Bremspedal, das ist nicht so schön. So, and here you have the next situation. You can say nothing, and you're too fast. You're too fast, you're too fast. What is the meaning with this triangle and the cross in it?
This is left before right.
Left before right?
No, right
or-
before left.
Ah.
Yeah. Means we have to
Good.
pass these vehicles.
Yeah, okay, that's correct. No, right before left.
Yeah.
No, right before left. And you come down here and try slow, okay?
Ja.
Hier war er ein bisschen zu schnell, ne? Auf geht's, weiter geht's. So, in the next situation, look what is happening now. Stop sign, no? But before you have
Pedestrian.
yeah, and the pedestrian is coming and is crossing. You can see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So, it is not a stop sign, no? Here,
No.
this position, no?
Yeah. You need to see the traffic.
You see the traffic and then you stop, no?
Yeah.
The stop is necessary, yeah?
Yeah.
So count 21, 22, and then you can go. You can go. Safe. They are stopped because they have red.
Red light.
They have red light, no?
Yeah.
Find confidence in the traffic system. Vertrauen finden in this Verkehrssystem Deutschland. Yeah. Something happens here, no? You have seen that? It's green and the pedestrians are walking, no? So, we turn right now. Oh, good situation. A very good situation. Yeah, let them pass, no?
Yeah.
We save this call.